Imagine a world where you never sleep again. At first, it might seem like a dream come true. 24 hours of productivity, endless time to pursue hobbies, learn new skills, or simply enjoy life. Gone would be the struggle of dragging yourself out of bed in the morning or fighting off drowsiness during afternoon meetings. With an extra third.
Hey, welcome to Ask Robert AI, the channel where I share smart AI tools to help you save time and make money every single day. Did you know you can create an engaging video in just 5 minutes without filming or editing anything? If you're into AI tools that make content creation super fast, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Ask Robert AI and stick around till the end of this video, because missing just one small step could cost you a super easy way to earn money. Why should you use VideoGen? Save time. No need to film or edit manually. Save money. No need to hire a video production team. Make money easily. As long as your video is engaging and valuable, you can start earning from YouTube ads. First things first, you need to head over to an awesome AI video creation platform called VideoGen. Just go to https://videogen.io ? via equals LQH. This is where it all begins. The interface is super clean and easy to use, even if you're brand new. You'll see the sign up button right at the top right of the screen. Click that to create your free account, or if you've already got one, just log in with Google to save time. Seriously, this part takes just a few seconds. Within seconds, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now click Create a Video to start your project. Before generating the content, adjust your video settings. In the Select Media section, scroll down and choose Clip Pace. Options are fast, medium, slow, or very fast. I recommend selecting medium for natural flow. Then choose aspect ratio depending on your platform. 9:16 for TikTok Shorts Reels, 1:1 for Facebook or Instagram posts, 16:9 for YouTube and Twitter. For YouTube, click 16:9, then press continue. All right, now we're ready to create a full video from just a simple idea. Here's what you do. 1. Pick your language. I'm going with English for this one. 2. Choose how long you want your video to be. O, very short, around 75 words. O, short, about 150 words. O, medium, roughly 300 words. O, 187, long, around 600 words. O, ham, very long, up to 1,000 words. O, or you can even enter your own custom word count if you want. For this example, I'll go with medium, which is about 300 words. Perfect for a quick and engaging video. In the prompt input box, go ahead and type your video idea. For example, what if you never slept again? Once you've done that, just click the red arrow icon, and boom, VideoGen will start generating a complete script for you, including a smooth narration flow and suggested scenes that match your topic. All right, next step. Let's pick an AI voice for your video. You'll see a bunch of options like Lulu, Winston, and more. Just click on each name to preview the voice. Choose the one that fits your vibe, whether you want something soft, powerful, friendly, or dramatic. Once you've found the right one, click Apply Voice to all sections to use that voice throughout your entire video. And just like that, your voiceover is ready in seconds. Now it's time to hit the Generate Video button and watch your project come to life. Let's add some background music. Click the music note icon in the bottom left. Browse genres, beats, happy, suspense, calm, sad, and more. Preview and select the perfect track, or upload your own music file. Click Upload Audio or use copyright-free music to stay safe. The AI will blend your voice and music automatically. Once your video is ready, click Share in the top right corner. Choose Export Video. Select your resolution. 720p, 1080p, or 4K within seconds. Your video will be rendered. You'll receive a download link via email or download directly to your device. Now let's check out the awesome video we just created.
Imagine a world where you never sleep again. At first,
If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to Ask Robert AI and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new videos on AI, automation, and making money online. Wishing you all the success, and I'll see you in the next video.